Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Roblox Executor on mobile. Please understand that using executors involves significant risks, including potential account bans or device security vulnerabilities. Proceed with extreme caution and only if you fully comprehend these implications. We advise against using them on primary accounts and recommend extensive research beforehand. Always prioritize your digital safety and respect game terms of service, which may forbid such modifications. To begin, ensure your mobile device runs Android version 11 or higher for optimal compatibility. You will also need at least 2 GB of free storage space to accommodate the application and any associated script files. A stable, high-speed internet connection is crucial for downloading the executor and ensuring smooth script execution. Confirm these basics before proceeding to the next steps. Finding a reputable source for your executor application is paramount to avoid malware. Search for well-known, community-verified options on trusted forums or dedicated websites. Once you locate a suitable source, download the executor's APK file directly to your device. Remember to temporarily enable installation from unknown sources in your device's security settings before opening the downloaded file for setup. After downloading, navigate to your files and tap the APK to install the executor. Grant any necessary permissions during this process. Once installed, open the executor application, and it will often prompt you to launch Roblox through its interface. Inside Roblox, a small executor icon or menu will appear, allowing you to paste and inject your desired script. Start with a simple, tested script to verify functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.